with solid-state batteries increasing efficiency, providing faster charging, and improving vehicle longevity. Many electric cars will feature advanced self-driving capabilities, making the driving experience more seamless. Automakers are focusing on using recyclable materials and adopting greener manufacturing practices. The global charging infrastructure will keep growing, making long-distance driving in electric cars more feasible. The future of electric vehicles is bright, with new technologies making them more accessible, convenient, and eco-friendly. 2025 marks a major turning point in the world of electric vehicles. With more options, improved technologies, and a focus on sustainability, electric cars are becoming more accessible and appealing to a wide range of drivers. Whether you are looking for a performance vehicle, a family-friendly SUV, or an affordable compact car, the electric cars of 2025 have something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which electric car you are most excited about, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the future of electric driving. Credits: script by NVIDIA AI. Fiat's compact electric vehicle is perfect for city driving, offering both style and practicality in an eco-friendly package. The Hyundai Kona Electric is one of the top electric compact SUVs, offering an excellent combination of range, features, and affordability. With 201 horsepower, an impressive 300-mile range, and 40-minute charging, starting around $36,000. A great option for those who want an electric SUV with long range and plenty of features without breaking the bank. The Chevrolet Bolt EV has been a leader in affordable electric vehicles and continues to impress with its 2025 model. With 200 horsepower, 259-mile range, and 100 miles of range in just 30 minutes of charging, starting at $27,000. The Bolt EV remains one of the best affordable electric vehicles, offering solid performance and impressive range. BYD's Dolphin is an exciting as we move into 2025.